here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Joe, who I like to call Joey Seafood, and Giovanni. What are we making, boys?
All right, Lily, so today we're making a swordfish with mango salsa. Grilled swordfish with mango salsa.
That sounds delicious and perfect for
fantastic.
summer. I know it's going to be great, because you guys are making it.
That's right.
It's going to be amazing. Let's do it.
Do you want to do the salt and pepper?
You got it.
There you go, just drizzle a little on top.
All right, so now we're gonna take this here. We're gonna put it right on the grill pin.
You hear that noise?
That's what you want.
That's exactly what you're looking for.
All right, so how long? A couple minutes on each side?
So I would say 2 minutes on each side. I'm just gonna go ahead and dice up some onion here. Little thing I like to do with the tomato, especially when I'm making salsa, I like to take all the seeds out of it. And in order to do it easy, I just cut into it like this and I kind of roll it open, just like that. Shake all the seeds off, and then I'll take this lengthwise and I'll just cube it up. Same thing, I cut through and I just open it up, roll it out, just like that. Okay, so with the mango, you know how with a mango, right? It has the seed in the middle.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna cut along that seed, and then with this, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make cross cuts like that, and then we just cut it through. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of cilantro now, a little mango juice, salt and pepper, take some of this mango salsa and put it right on top. That's grilled swordfish with mango salsa.
I love it. If you'd like to make this, head to our website, news12.com. You will find the very easy recipe there. Thank you both.